You ever wonder why some folks can visit the United States for months and be totally fine, but other people mess up by just a few days and suddenly face a 5-year ban? That gap between fine and forbidden has a name, and it is called unlawful presence. Think of unlawful presence like a parking meter that starts ticking the moment your time is officially up. It is not about sneaking in or being sneaky, it is simply about the clock running past what your visa or status allowed. Here's the twist that trips up almost everyone. Unlawful presence usually does not start the day your visa expires, it starts the day the government says your authorized stay ended. And sometimes those are two very different dates. Picture a college student on an F1 visa. Their program can end in May, but their unlawful presence clock might not start ticking until an immigration judge or officer makes it official, which could be way later. Now let us talk numbers, because this is where things get spicy. If you rack up more than 180 days of unlawful presence and then leave the country, you get slapped with a 3-year ban before you can come back. Push that number past 365 days and congratulations, you just earned yourself a 10-year timeout like a toddler who colored on the walls. The government is not messing around with these penalties. Here is a common mix-up people make constantly. Being unlawfully present is not the same as being undocumented forever, because plenty of people fix their status without ever leaving and never trigger these bans at all. That is because the 3- and 10-year bans only kick in when you depart the United States after racking up that unlawful presence. It is kind of like a video game where the penalty only counts if you actually walk out the door. Kids get a special pass here too, which honestly feels fair. If you are under 18, you generally do not accumulate unlawful presence at all, so the clock is not even running yet. Asylum seekers also get some breathing room while their case is pending. Since waiting for a decision does not automatically mean the days are counting against you, the system tries to give people a chance to be heard before punishing them. Here's where it gets messy in real life. People overstay by accident all the time. Maybe a flight got canceled or paperwork got lost in the mail, and suddenly they are stressing about bans they did not even know existed. This is exactly why timing and documentation matters so much, because proving when your authorized stay actually ended can be the difference between a quick fix and a decade-long headache. Rational planning beats panic every single time. The lesson here is not to memorize every rule yourself like some legal superhero. The lesson is to know when a situation smells complicated enough that you need someone who actually reads immigration law for fun. Good immigration lawyers track these dates like hawks, because one miscalculated day can change someone's entire future in this country. That kind of precision is not optional, it is the whole job. So if any of this hit close to home or made you go, wait, does that apply to me? Do you want to learn more about our company? Check out our links in the description below.